just the pursuit of trying to be better, learn more, become wiser. Like that's what this is all about. Like it's not, it's what's the saying? I forget who said it, but it's like our ideas die so we don't have to. And like kind of part of the process of life, just like throwing all of the shit it does at you, is seeing like what ideas and thoughts aren't worth holding on to when like
Yeah.
just hit with the hard realities in life, but also which ones are the ones like fighting for, and like which ones are the ones dying for. Like those are the really important ideas and questions. But like yeah, like just even with this podcast, like we're kind of talking about how people are afraid to speak. I've
Mm-hmm.
noticed it's made me more confident being able to talk publicly and just not be able to speak without having something rehearsed, because
Mm-hmm.
this has gotten us like better at being able to talk on our toes
Yeah.
without like stepping on a landmine. So like that's been pretty cool.
Yeah. We're always developing, like we're not the same as yesterday, basically. And that's
Yeah.
okay. I think that's like the important part of understanding that, yesterday you thought this was right, tomorrow, who knows, you might go through something and it might change your opinion, and it's okay.